Hi guys, just a quick tip. Say you've got a board and you want to cut it down. You haven't got a straight edge on either side. You can't really put it through the table saw like that. You're going to come up on all sorts of problems with it burning, with it wedging in there. Yeah, it's not a good idea. So I'm going to show you how to get a straight edge, and not only a straight edge good enough to cut down on the table saw, but a straight edge to join straight onto another board. So it's ready to go straight off the tool. So without further ado, here we go. I'm going to be using a router table and a flush cutting bit. It doesn't matter what size cutter you use, as long as it covers the amount of wood you're cutting and the bearing is above the wood. The bearing has to follow a template, and in this case it's a guide clamp. As you can see, I've got the guide clamp on, and the roll on the top is going to run along the guide clamp. I've got just enough wood sticking out in order to cut it. You don't need any more than that. And here we go. We'll do a second cut to finish it off. Zoom in on that. This is the join. Put it together. And I think just there. And I think that's done quite nicely. And if you wanted it for the table saw, you've got one straight edge to start with. This is the one you've just seen me cut, glued together. It's not bad at all. And here is a board I glued up a few days ago. Hope that was useful to you. That's all for now. Bye.